y'all, get ready with me, Amari. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys what I'm gonna be doing today for my get ready. So I'm gonna be using this. Oh my god, it's so cute. It's this the name of it is My Beauty Spot. That's what it looks like. Very tea, very demure, very mindful. Coffee. It got inside of it is daily gel cleanser, body spray, facial wash, butter, body butter, yeah, and a little rag for showering. For the serum, I'm using this vitamin C serum. So yeah, I'm gonna open these up and I will see you when I'm done. Yeah, so I decided to record myself while I'm opening this up because I just want to talk to you guys. Like, actually, I'm so excited. Like, I got this yesterday, but I was so excited to open this. I was like, I'm doing it today. So yeah, I'm gonna open it up, y'all. Oh my god, I've been waiting on this. This is so cute. So this one, oh wait, let me try it. This one is the daily facial wash, whatever it's called. This one's is purple. It's so cute. Then the green one. The green one is the cleanser. Oh, stuck. It is the cleanser. This is super cute. I love this. This one is the scent. It's scented body spray. It's the orange cream. It's orange cream scented. So that's good. Here's the rag, the pink rag. Here's the body butter. So yeah, and then for this one, it's easy to open. This is a serum. This is what it looks like. Really cute. So yeah, I'll be right back. So I also got this little thing, so I can put it on my over my hair. So yeah, we'll put this on. Oh, it's so cute. Alright, so I have to go with, well, we have to go with gel cleanser. I think. Do I go with gel cleanser? Hold on, wait. Let me see. Gel cleanser. Yeah, we go with gel cleanser. Then we go with. Hold on, y'all. Let me read the instructions. Gel. Y'all, I don't really know what to do. Hold on, let me see. Y'all, I'm gonna go ask my mom which one do I do first. So yeah, I'll be right back. I know what to do now. So this right here is daily cleanser. So I'm supposed to put this on first to cleanse and clean my face. Then I'm gonna go with this one to smoothen out my face. Is the daily wash. Then after that, I'm gonna put on this serum. Then I'm gonna put on this body butter. And this orange thing, it's what's called perfume. So I'm gonna smell it and see if it's good. I'm ready to smell it. And this orange, it's all this got scent to it. So this one is blueberry. This one is orange. This one is cucumber, exactly cucumber. This one is coconut. Okay. Alright. Oh, it really smells like that. So this is perfume, and I'll be right back so I can get ready. So I just washed my face with some water, and now now finna put on this, the daily cleanser. So they say just put 1 pump on there, but I'm just gonna put 2 just in case. It smells just like cucumbers. My face is gonna be so clean. It feels so good. I just needed 1 more because I know I told y'all guys I only use oil for my like facial stuff, but I also kind of use other stuff too, but I still use oil. I use oil more than I use like all the other stuff on my face because I want my face to be clear. So yeah, I don't know what I want to be following. What y'all want to be following? Actually, no, I should ask that. What y'all want to be following? Because me, I want to be Ghostface. I don't know why. It's just like Ghostface is a good person. Well, for me, as in the movie. But I'll be right back and I'm gonna keep on talking about like Halloween stuff. But I'm gonna go wash this off. Ain't no way y'all still watching my video. Y'all haven't liked, subscribed, and hit that bell and comment. I'm still disappointed in y'all. Y'all still got more time. Y'all got 5 seconds. 10 seconds to subscribe, like, and hit that bell and share to all your friends about me and comment. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Thank you, y'all. I love you guys so much. So now that I did all that, and y'all like, subscribe, and all that, I'm gonna be using this now. So yeah. Yep, I knew I had to open the whole thing to just, my face is sticky. My face is not sticky like y'all. Like it feels so soft, like a little bit right here. But whatever. Oh wait. Right here feels sticky, y'all, a little bit. So I don't know. Now if this stuff is really good, I'm gonna buy another pack of this because they got a second pack in this watermelon. I want it so bad. I seen it at the store and I'm like, Mom, I want this, that, and all of that. And she was like, no, Mom, you can only get 2 things. So I just picked these 2. Yeah. Alright, so now I'm gonna use this. Let me use a little drop. Ew, it's like jelly. Oh my god, y'all. I just felt like jelliness all over my hand. It smells like blueberry a lot. And as soon as I applied it to my face, it felt so good. Like, oh my god. But yeah, y'all. For Halloween, I really want to be Ghostface. But actually, for Halloween, I want to be Ghostface. But for Halloween pictures and all that stuff, I'm going to be... I don't know what I'm going to be. Y'all just going to have to find out. Because I can't spoil anything, like, duh. But I want to be Raven off of Teen Titans Go, though. That's one of the things I want to be. And y'all may be asking Amari, why do you want to be Ghostface so bad? Because Ghostface, like, the people that created Ghostface just got a pink Ghostface mask in the outfit, too. And it's diamond up, too. Like, you know I love pink, like. You can't tell that I love pink. Like, what? I love pink so much. It just don't even matter. If you give me something pink and I don't like it, if you give me something pink that I don't like, I'm still gonna like it because it's pink. So now I'm gonna let this air dry. Then I'm going to wash it off. So yeah. Oh my god. My face gonna be feeling so good. So yeah. It's dry enough now. So I'm gonna wash it off. And also, if y'all don't know what y'all gonna be for Halloween, I got another thing y'all can say down below. Like y'all can tell what I should do down below. So basically, what hairstyle should I get next? Cause you know I need a new hairstyle. Cause I like this hairstyle, but I need to get more hairstyles. I love getting my hair done, cause like it's just a part of being a girl. Just like a part of being a girl, like so for real. But yeah, so I'm gonna let this air dry again, cause I just wet it and I need to put this on. Yo, oh my god. Like, I don't know, but school? Oh yeah, y'all, I got all A's. Ugh. I don't know why I'm telling you my business, but I'm glad I have all A's at school. Because if I didn't, then I don't know. I might be struggling. And yeah, so yeah. Middle school is not that hard. It's like alright, but I think in 7th grade or 8th grade it's gonna be hard. I'm in 6th now, but I think in 7th and 8th it's gonna be hard, cause you're learning a lot of stuff that you never learned about, and yeah. But I think school is alright for me. I like school. I don't know about y'all. I don't think y'all like school, but I think some of y'all like school because I like school. Alright, y'all, so I am back from washing my face. Now I'm gonna put on this serum. I'm crying. I'm stop playing. Alright. Oh my god. I'm sorry, y'all. This one smells like orangey very much. But yeah, y'all, what y'all need for Halloween? I don't know. I'm just in that zone of like doing this. But what y'all want to be for Halloween? Because me, honestly, I want to be. Well, I already said I want to be what's it called it? What hairstyle should I get? This hairstyle, I'm getting my hair done next week. I just ripped my face. But yeah, I'm getting my hair done next week. So yeah. Alright, so we're done with this. Now I'm gonna go wash it off again. And this rag is cold. Real cold, so yeah. It's really, really cold because I put it in cold water. And I should never made that decision to put it in cold water. Whew. Dang. Alright. So, I forgot what my mom told me to put on. Oh, she told me to put on this. When I put on another outfit, I'm gonna put this on inside the video. Cause this outfit is not it. It's not good, man. Alright, so my face feels moisturized enough. Now I'm gonna put this butter on. Or this body butter. Ooh. I just don't considering body butter looking like this. I don't waste stuff, so I'm putting this back in here. Well, I don't know. No, ma'am. It did not smell like coconut. It smelled like butter. It don't smell like coconut. It smell like bubble. You know the bubble mix that they be having? It smells just like that. That's a bad thing. What they put in here? I wonder what's the in here. Whatever, I guess I'll just... Oh, this is body butter. It feels good. My hand needed it. Because my hand is so... Oh my God, it's so freaking soft. Y'all, I'm being honest with y'all. I only use lotion for real. For like, if I'm ashy. But this right here, I don't think I have body butter before. But this right here, oh, this is massage for real. Y'all, like, y'all don't understand. This feels so good. Like, oh my God. They're gonna be like, Amari, you smell good at school. I mean, I smell good everywhere, so, okay. I take this to school, knowing me. So, yeah. So, yeah, y'all, this is all for, not all for the video, but this is all I'm using for my Get Ready with me. Oh, yeah, I'm putting it all back in here. You know, I don't really need to put it in handy. Take that out and put it all in here. Like I'm packaging stuff. And I'm gonna change to put this on. I'll be right back. The outfit I'm gonna be wearing to chill out today is this jersey and these shorts. Boom. See? Alright, so now let's try on this. Oh, it smells so good. I can't stop smelling it. Oh. Smells good. Real good. Y'all know, y'all don't really know, but I like orange cream ice cream. Like, it's really good. So, yeah. Well, that's all for the video, y'all. Bye.